Hello everyone and welcome to Vanity Affairs. I hope you all are doing well. And if you don't know me, I'm Adeline and I make content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Well, I have just one video uploaded. So yeah, going forward we'll be diversifying into beauty, fashion and lifestyle definitely. Also, today we'll be working on and we'll be doing together a soft glittery eyeshadow makeup look. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. हम लोग start करेंगे with the primer, which is by Sugar. This is pore minimizing primer and it has a very nice gel consistency. If you see. और इसको लेके हम लोग लगा लेंगे अपने पोर्स पे, जहाँ भी आपके पोर्स जैसे नोज एंड चीक्स, दीज आर द कॉमन एरियाज. हाउएवर ये पोर मिनिमाइजिंग है एंड देन इट गिव्स यू अ स्मूथ कैनवस, सो यू नीड टू जेंटली डैब इट ऑन योर स्किन. आपको रब नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट डैब इट. एंड लेट द प्राइमर सिट ऑन फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 minute और like 30 seconds ताकि आपकी स्किन उसे ले सके. One is by Maybelline and other one is by Revolution Pro. I do mix it because this is really very yellowish. तो ये थोड़ा cool tone foundation है जो इसको balance out कर देता है. I just take one pump of it or maybe 1.5 should work, and then just a drop of Revolution Pro. So if you see, if I mix them together, this give a very nice tan, cool tan shade, and I'll gently dab it all over my skin. I'll be using the pack blender and blend all the foundation with this. Make sure the blender is a little damp before you use. So it gives you a better coverage and blends your foundation well. If you see, this foundation has blended so well. I'll take it down to my neck and my jawline. Never forget your neck. After you're done with your foundation, I am gonna use Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I got this from Amazon and it is in caramel shade. I love this shade because it is full coverage and it is like very cost effective, and I'll be putting this at my dark areas. तो जो आपके around the mouth जो dark areas होते हैं, there, a bit under the eyes, I really don't like कि पूरा एक full coverage हो. However, Maybelline is very buildable. I have just taken one pump. If you take 2 pumps of it, probably आपका everything will be covered up. But I don't like. I like a little more natural feel to it. Not, I don't want every spots and every pores to be filled in. It should be a little natural though. So I like to blend the foundation and concealer like really well, because at the end of the day I don't want my foundation to turn cakey. So this goes well with my skin tone and I am generously wanna apply. So next we'll be starting with the eyeshadow, but before that, अगर आपकी eyelids भी मेरी तरह oily है या बहुत जल्दी oil हो जाता है आपका eyelids from here, तो always use a concealer before that, as a primer. So there are eyeshadow primers as well in the market, but I don't recommend. I mean, a concealer can do the same thing. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप एक separate primer खरीदें उसके लिए. And yes, if you have, if you have that budget, अगर आपके पास budget है एक eyeshadow base लेने का in an affordable range, I would suggest you NYX. I just finished it off in this. I forgot the name कि कौन सा shade था वो. It was in skin color, and I am just lightly dabbing this concealer on my eyelids ताकि ये crease ना हो और मेरा eyeshadow लंबे समय तक चले. Alright. Go and मैं फिर से Fit Me ही use करूँगी just to dab it a bit on my eyelids as well. Next, I'll be using Makeup Revolution London eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow palette और इसे काफ़ी time से use कर रही हूँ. This is like with me for 2 years now, and I really love this color to be for the crease pose. So I'll be using this color for my crease. You always make sure that you dust off the excess. Next, I'll be using LA Girl eyeshadow collection in neons. I would use this orange eyeshadow from here. I will be taking a clean brush and just dust off all the excess and just blend this with a soft orange color. Next, I'll be taking brown, dark brown from this collection from Makeup Revolution, and gently just place the eyeshadow on the outer corner. Not shifting the eyeshadow, it's just, I'm just patting it. Just to build the intensity, keep on patting until you feel okay, this is the. Don't forget, we need to later on blend this up. बहुत ही light hand से इसे blend करते रहिए. Next, we'll be using Hang Fang's glitter eyeshadows. So you can buy them individually as well. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And it's not available on Nykaa or anywhere. You need to get them from the Insta store. That's where I got it from. And I shall take this one. You can use golden or silver. You can use foiled eyeshadow over it, but today I want to play with some glitter. So I'll just apply a bit on, like, right in center. I'll take a mini brush and just work my way in with the glitters. These may take a while to like sit on your eyelids, so yeah, you have a bit of time to work around with them. I find loose glitters to be really messy, so these liquid glitters are like really helpful. They don't create any messes. I'm done with this. Next, I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow and use the same color to blend everything out. Glitter and the brown eyeshadows together so that it doesn't look halfway done. Just blend it. It's very necessary. I'll be using the eyeliner from Blur Cosmetics, and it says I give up on cat eyes. I mean, that's so savage. Since I have hooded eyes, I like to keep my eyeliner very close to my lash line. Lastly, we'll top up this with mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is from Maybelline Hyper Curl. So this eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution, अगर आपके पास it's not necessary actually कि अगर आपके पास brow pomade हो या any separate product for brows, you can always use a deep dark brown for your eyebrows. For doing my eyebrows, I'll be using this angled brush, and I'll dip it here and gently start working my way out. हम लोग बिल्कुल आगे से स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे, just right from the middle and cover this up. Just fill it. Next, I'll just gently brush everything out so it looks a little bit more into sequence. So next, I'll be using Sugar's contour, and it's in the shade Woody Wonder. I'll use Freedom's contour brush to contour the way up, and it is just half through your cheeks. You're not supposed to bring it down till here or here, it's just here. So it gives you a nice shadow to it and add dimension. I'll add a bit on my jawline as well, a bit of on my temples. Next, I'll be using Makeup Revolution blush palette, and it has like 8 shades, and I guess this is gonna cover all the skin tones. So I'm gonna use this blush brush, and these brushes are like not from any brand, and yeah, these are quite local. I've just got it. So if you have a nose like me, like which has no dimension and बहुत ही चपटा है, आपको लगता है कि no, it should be a little elongated or stuff, you can always use a contour, and a brush like this should work. For highlighter, I'll be using PAC Baked Highlighter. I have been using this from really long. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and it gives a very subtle glow. Blushed your Cupid's bow look. Lastly, I'll be topping up this look with a very neutral shade from NELF, and the shade is in 111, and I'm just gently dabbing. And with that, we've completed our makeup look, and this is very wearable. See.